Right. Got the rear wheels off. Draining the diff. It is a 5/16 square. Glad I have
squares.
Yeah, I got the whole drain plug set down there.
Oh.
I've had that for years. This one.
A triangle one?
Oh, you'd be amazed what the weird Germans will do. It is nasty. It's a little on my pants. It's lovely. It's just a little bit of flavor. But
I'm trying to get you a record up.
Thank you, Jimmy. We're draining. It's a little stanky.
Stanky leg?
Yeah, it's not horrible though. We've definitely dealt with worse. Thank you, Jimmy. Nick's up there. Yeah, you up there banging things?
Asbestos.
That means it's good for you.
Why is it smoking again from the...
Flavor. Anyway, all right, that's draining. I'm gonna pull the axles out next. Yes? I'll come up and get video with you. It actually drained good because the vent was actually clear and not plugged up. Shocking. Shocking.